children. Lesson number 2, landforms of the earth. Children, do you remember in the last class we learned about the major landforms of the earth? What are the major landforms of the earth? Can you tell? Okay. There are 4 major landforms. One is mountains, plains, plateaus and deserts. We have already learned about them. Now today we are going to learn about the minor landforms of the earth. Minor means smaller ones. Now once you see valleys. Valley. What is a valley, you know? It is a valley is a low land that lies between hills. Now see, when two hills are there, this is mountain range. We call it as mountain range. Now when so many mountains are there, we call them as mountain range. So in that mountain range, the gap between two mountains or two hills, this is a gap. It is like a V shape. These are called valleys. Can you understand? The gap between two mountains is called a valley. Valley is in V shape. In some valleys, you can see the water flowing down. The water will be flowing down like this. This is about the valley. Now again I tell you, remember valleys. What is a valley? A valley is a lowland that lies between two hills or three hills are like mountains. Next one is pass. What is a pass? It is a break or a gap in a mountain range. Now see the mountains. So many mountains are there. This is a mountain range, so many mountains together. And in this mountain range, there will be a pass. Pass means it's a place. It's a way. Way to go from one mountain to another mountain. The pass will be there. This is the break. Break between the mountains. Break in the mountains. You can see. And people can walk or go by vehicles in this pass. Next one is coast. You know the coast? The land by the side of a sea or a ocean. When we go to the sea or ocean, see the ocean is like this means here sand will be there. This place is called a coast. This is called a coast. If this is water, the place next to the water is called, the place which divides water and the land is called a coast. Again I am repeating, coast. The land by the side of the sea or a ocean is called a coast. Did you understand? Now see the picture of a valley. A valley is a land that lies between hills or mountains. Again I am repeating. A valley is a low land that lies between two hills or a mountain range. Can you see the picture, children? Yes. Next we go to pass. It is a break or a gap in a mountain range. When the mountain ranges are there, the gap between the path means which we go by walk or which we travel, that is called a path. So, it is called a pass, the break or a gap between a mountain range. Now, see the picture. Can you see the picture? Next, we go to the coast. What is a coast? The land by the side of a coast of a sea or an ocean. When sea or ocean is there, you can see the part divided by the ocean, the water here and the land. This is called a coast. Now see the picture of the coast. Coast. Okay children. Now we go to other landforms. Next one is peninsula. You have learned in 3rd class already about peninsula. What is a peninsula? It's a land covered by water only on 3 sides. It is a land covered by water on 3 sides. Now see the picture. See this is the Indian Ocean. This is the India. And here the water is covered. 3 sides. Only 3 sides water is there. This is the land. This is the land. And the land is covered by water on 3 sides. What is the peninsula? The land covered by water on 3 sides. It is called a peninsula. Now you see the picture of peninsula. Next we go to island. Island. What is an island? You would have gone now with your parents to Bhavani Island and all like that. Island means it's a land covered by water on all the sides. See, the land is like this means it will be covered by water on all the sides. This is the land and this is the water. So, this is an island. What is an island? The land covered by water on all the sides is called an island. So, again, I am reminding you, see, the difference between peninsula and island. Some of you will be confused. Now, listen to me carefully. Peninsula, the land covered by water on three sides. Now, see the picture. This is the land. This is the land, and it is covered by water on three sides. Here water, this water, all the three sides it is covered with water. Whereas the island, the land covered by water on all the sides. See, this is the land and the water is covered. All the sides the water is covered. Next one we go to strait. What is a strait? It is a narrow strip between two landforms. Now see in the map, world map, two continents joining together. There will be small land and big. This is one continent and this is another continent. And a piece of small line. This is called a strait. What is a strait? A narrow strip. Narrow means thin strip between two landforms is called a strait. Now once again repeating. Come on, see peninsula. What is a peninsula? The land covered by water on three sides. Now see the picture. Next one, island. The land covered by water on all the sides is called an island. You can see the picture of the island. Is it? How is it? Next one, strait. What is a strait? It's a narrow strip. Narrow means thin. Thin strip between two landforms. Can you see the board? Strait. A narrow strip between two landforms is called a strait. See, two continents are there, no? In between, the strait is connecting them. Strait means one small strip of line. That is called a strait. Can you understand, children?
Now see the picture.
Now see the picture of the strait. Can you see the picture of a strait? How is it? Yeah. Wait. Okay, children. Now again I'll summarize the full lesson. Once again you can hear what lesson number 2. This is landforms of the earth. What is a landform? Landform is the surface covered by different kinds of landforms. What is a landform? It is covered with different kinds of landforms. What are they? There are major landforms and also minor landforms. There are 4 major landforms. Already I told you in the last class. What are they? Mountains, plains, plateaus and deserts. Already you saw, no? What are they? First one, mountains, plains, plateaus and deserts. Okay, now today we learned about the minor landforms. Minor means small landforms. What are they? First one I taught you about valley. Valley. What is a valley? What is a valley? What is a valley? It is a land between 2 mountains or 3 mountains. It is in V shape. And in some valleys the water will be flowing. You can see the waterfalls from the valleys. Second one we saw. What is the second one? Pass. What is a pass? It is a... Okay, next one is after valley, pass. What is a pass? It is a pathway between 2-3 mountains. The mountain ranges are like this now. In between you can see the pathways. There we can also say as ghati. We go now on the mountains. The road pathway on the mountains is called a pass. Next one is coast. What is a coast? I already explained now what is a coast. It is a land. What is a coast? It is a land separating the water, sea water or river water and the land. The gap in between the water and the land is called a coast. See the picture of the coast now. Next one is peninsula. Peninsula, already we learned in 3rd class all this. Again I am reminding peninsula. What is peninsula? It is a land covered by water only on three sides. You can see the picture. The water covered by the land covered by water on only three sides. It is called a peninsula. Next one is island. What is an island? The land covered by water on all the sides. See the land here and the water covered by the land is covered by water on all the sides. Next one, strait. What is a strait? It is a narrow strip between two landforms. Landforms means continents or places, whatever it may be. The narrow strip. Narrow strip means one thin line will be there. You can see the picture now. The straight picture. The narrow strip between two landforms is called a strait. Okay, children, did you understand? In the next class, I am going to ask you the questions. OT will be taken. Okay. God bless you. Thank you.
Stay on.